and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristen and today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. That's why you're here, so let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I picked up was this little truck and camper. I think this is like a little well, it says winter village. I was gonna say it's like a little fairy garden, but it's definitely like a little winter village. I thought these were super cute, so I just had to pick those up for a DIY. I also grabbed these. These are one of my favorite like berry branch flower things that for wintertime. I bought a bunch of these last year and they're just like little berries and they're tiny bit of glitter but not really like kind of frosted. I just really like these, so I picked up a bunch of these. I was over the top excited to find buffalo check bows. These are really large. It says they're 8.7 inches by 14.6 inches, so they are really big. So I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up 3 of these candles. These are just like the tall candles that they always have, but I did grab these. They have DIY snow globes. These were here last year, and I think they work out pretty well. Like, I actually think we made snow globes maybe a couple years ago with something similar to this, and they don't leak, but I have a DIY in store for this. And I also grabbed some of this like little fake glittery snow. I thought that was kind of fun. They always have like the little foam balls. Those are way over the top messy, so there was no way I was even gonna mess with that this year. I also picked up a lot of these. I think I picked up 2, 4, 6, 8. I picked up 11 of these trees. 11. So I will actually be having a obviously all this is for DIY, so I'm not going to keep saying that it's for crafting or a video, because obviously you guys know when I go to the Dollar Tree, that's what it's for. It's for my upcoming videos. And don't sweat it if your Dollar Tree does not have all their Christmas stuff out, because when I went they were getting everything out. Like, I just hit like a really good day, so mine's usually one of the last ones to have like all their Christmas stuff out. So anyways, don't be sad if your stuff's not out yet. It will come soon. I also really loved these signs. These I think are new. Maybe they were there last year. I don't think so. I probably would have grabbed them. This one says believe in the magic of Christmas. I just really liked these. And then I think there's a peace one as well, and then I just grabbed the joy one too. It says joy to the world. I just thought those were, I just really liked these. Obviously I'm gonna like turn them into something different, of course, but anyways, I really liked those. I picked up 2 of these deer. I did some wreaths last year with these. I'm gonna try to come up with something a little bit different this year for these. But anyways, I thought those were super cute, so I had to grab those. Here, I just grabbed another one of these like little glittery Merry Christmas signs. These are super messy, but I plan just to take some sandpaper, and I think some people even uses like warm water and a washcloth, but I think sanding just works way better, and if you just take it outside, there's no mess at all. Let's just keep going with the signs, just because I feel like we're like trending right now. Let It Snow sign. I know they had this last year, but I don't think mine had it, so I picked this up and I'm really excited to use this. This one says gnome for the holidays. I thought this was cute, and then I realized his little nose is messed up, so I'm not sure if I'm just gonna use it or figure something out. Maybe I can fix it, I'm not sure, but I thought this was really cute. I'm not a gnome person. They have a lot of gnome stuff. I'm not really, they kind of creep me out. I'm not like a big fan, and I don't know why they're a Christmas thing. Maybe I'm missing something. But also grabbed this little truck. I don't know why this was like a compulsive buy, because it's a red truck, but I don't like the tinsel around it at all. So I'm hoping I can figure something out with this, because I'm not loving it. Like, it has like bling Merry Christmas. I don't know if you can see, but it's like diamonds. I mean, not diamonds, but, and then like diamondy, I don't know, maybe you think it's cute. That's really fine, but I just don't love this. But I grabbed it. I grabbed some more of these like little trees. I bought these a while ago and started a DIY and never finished it. So hopefully I will finish that, so you'll see what I used them for. I'm not loving it, so I don't know if I'll show it, but maybe I just will for fun. So here's that. I thought this was super fun. I thought this was new than last year, which I'm always kind of looking for new stuff than last year, because I feel like that everything will be kind of similar, because I'll like, oh yeah, I did this last year with it, and then I do the same thing. I don't know, but I thought he was kind of cool. I definitely plan to do something with him. He's like really, these are really neat. I just like, I don't know, I think this is pretty cute. I grabbed 4 of these little crates. These are like nothing new, but I just wanted to show you that I bought 4 of them because it was just it was a compulsive shopping trip because I said I was done a while ago, and here we are. I picked up 3 of these mop heads. So these are just like the cotton mop heads. They always have these, but I've been doing some crafting with these, and I have some more ideas, so I had to buy more. And they last like a long time. I think I did like 2.5 crafts with just one, which is like amazing. I grabbed one of these candy canes. I love these. These are, if you tear these apart, they're almost like the wreath forms. I can't always find the candy cane wreath forms, so these are like a good option as well. You just like kind of cut the tinsel out. I did it last year with a bunch of these type of things, and they end up working out pretty well. So they also had smaller buffalo check bows, and I was over the top excited, so I picked up 2 packs, of course, because I don't like making bows. I don't really know how. Mine don't turn out the best, and I just don't like doing it, so I like buying them. I also picked up 2 of these buffalo check placemats. I did some crafting with them last year, and I thought that I could come up with a better idea this year, so I just picked up 2. I picked up this star. This is like nothing Christmassy whatsoever. This was just like in the crafter square, but I thought this was cute, so picked that up. Picked up one of these microfiber cloths. It's just a white one, no biggie, just, you know, that's it, there we go. One of these little tins. I didn't care what it looked like because I'm gonna be fixing it up and doing something cute to it. So yeah, this was only $1 from Dollar Tree. I don't know where that came from. A little mailbox. I've seen some really cute DIYs done with these, so I kind of wanted to test it out and try my own, so here we are. These are fun. I grabbed these little sponge brushes because sometimes I just like, I'm not in the mood to clean my brushes out. I know you can clean these, and I do, and reuse them, but sometimes I just don't want to get up and do it. So there we have it. They also have these, and I've got to go through my Christmas stuff. Like it's in our basement, and we have so much stuff on top of it along with our Christmas tree, and I'm just like not in the mood to rip everything out. I just need to like put things in place better, because I know I have like 2,000 of these. I know I bought a ton last year everywhere. Target, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree. Like, sorry, I keep yawning. It's morning still. I'm allowed to be tired. Yeah, so I gotta stop buying this kind of stuff. I just really have to just like go and see what I have, use it, stop buying the same stuff. I also grabbed these little storage containers. I thought these could be fun, so grabbed them. I finally found some of these like little berry garlands. They did not have the red. I can't remember the other color. They had gold, I think, but I just wanted these. I picked up 3 of these, and they had quite a bit left. Like I said, they were just putting stuff out, so I kind of got like almost like first dibs on everything, which was kind of nice because then it wasn't like touched and like picked over, and you know, you didn't have to like take 10 things off the rack to grab that one in the back that nobody touched. Yeah. And they also had these super cute signs. I'm not sure what to do with these. I might just have to keep them just like this. This says "Believe in the Magic of Christmas. Let it snow." I feel like they had a few other ones, but this one was just really, really cute. And I grabbed one of these little snowflakes. And then I think this is the very last thing I bought that I can see. This is the last thing I bought. It is a snowman. It kind of reminds me of the scarecrows from the fall. They also had Santa and a penguin maybe? I can't remember. Why am I like hugging this? Yeah, I thought he was really cute, and I'm not sure if I might like just craft him up just a tiny bit, because I think he's super cute, and I think he just needs like a little bit more love, or a little bit more, I'm not sure. He might stay this way. Oh, I did buy this too. I bought this, but this is like no big deal. This is just like one of their little snowflakes they have every single year. Yeah, you guys, that's it. I hope you guys are finding some amazing Christmas items as well and getting your Christmas crafting on, because it is going to be here before we know it. I love Christmas. I also decorate really early for Christmas. Like when it's like November, like I'm all about it. I started decorating last year. I think I put the tree up and decorations up November 1st or 2nd, and it was honestly really nice, and I could relax and enjoy Christmas, because I take everything down the day after Christmas. Like once Christmas is done, like decorations are done. So I like enjoying it for a little bit longer than 4 weeks. And there's nothing wrong with that. So let me know when you guys decorate and when you put up your tree, and let me know when you take down your tree. Need to know. Comments below. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I guess you didn't like it. Don't know how you don't like a Dollar Tree haul. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas.